Mura talaga siya gugma ka na nga. Nagkadoon ka, nagkalayo siya ni mo. Hi guys! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So it's me again, Jane Osho, and welcome to my new video. So for today's video guys, we're now here in the Gohoy, which is the Puntaas La Esperanza, which is the Sea of Clouds and then the Gohoy Bohol. And I'm so very excited to witness how is it beautiful here in Sea of Cloud of the Gohoy, because this is my first time ever because I've been there in Sea of Clouds, which is in the now, but for now I'm here in the Gohoy. So see you guys later. So mga ka-genetics, before you get to the Sea of Cloud, and here in the road you can see snacks. There we go. So they have turon, they have what they call this is hash dog inside, and then there's also egg and boiled egg, and also of course tempura is the best, and soy sauce, and what is this one? Puchinta. Okay, puchinta. They have. And of course, my favorite is this one. See? The banana Q, and of course the kamote Q. And besides, they have also this one. Turon. It's turon, but it's a new style. It's other style. But for now, I'm gonna choose this because I've been always eating that one. So see you guys later in Sea of Cloud, and for sorry. But before we got there, we just want to take a snack first, so that because we're a little bit hungry and thirsty. So see you guys later.
A few moments later.
So mga ka-genetics, we're finally here in the Gohoy Sea of Clouds. But for now, I'll be just walking because duhami sakay, and it's not okay because for the motorbike, because you know the road is. So madumi sa pinakataas. So see you guys later. So mga ka-genetics, we're finally here in the top of the mountain, and this is very nice. Take a look. Mga genetics, during me mag-overnight, I'm with my friends and her friend as well, and I'm so very excited because this is my first time to go out here and to experience overnight here in Sea of Clouds, the Gohoy Bohol. So see you guys later mga ka-genetics. So mga ka-genetics, di jud mo magproblema diri sa Gohoy Sea of Clouds if ever mag-overnight kay ngano naa sila kompleto sila, na sila kitchen. Actually ang kitchen of kananan is nalahi siya sa imuhang katulganan. So ang katulganan na dito sa ubos. So but kami dito mi sa taas, I think, and na sila na nailutuan, tapos naapoy utensils and naapoy ref. So naapoy gasol. So di ka magproblema. So naapod sa tables. And secure ang yung lang mga gamit diri, naapod sila rooms. So kanin siya is na si ate, which is nalilig siya. So native siya, and very nice. Ang CR is nalahi siya, so na siya dito. Pwede mo diri kanang mga barkada, family, and of course imahang lovey-dovey, pwede rasad. And but for now is adto ming dapita katong kinadakan adto me kay that is the not very nice pwesto, kay ngano na siya sa top, and very nice kayo siya, wala na ko maingon. So see you guys later. Diri mi mag-overnight, diri na po mi mag-dinner, and I'll show you later how beautiful is the night here. So mo siya mga genetics na ko ipakita ninyo. It's a piggy. Hello. Hello, big. And not just one that mga genetics, because we saw a very nice sunset. There we go. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Ate Jane. So for now, we're getting closer, which we're gonna occupy the room. So I'm so lucky and excited to get there. So see you guys later, mga genetics. So siya mga genetics, nana ko dere sa taas, and I'm gonna show the view. Hi to my vlog. There we go. And dere mi sa top. Okay? Dere mi mag-dinner, and of course mag-chill mi dere. And I'm so very excited. Because we're waiting for the clouds for tomorrow. That's why they call Sea of Clouds of the Guhoy. So see you guys later. So nindot kaayo siya dere mga genetics, kana very relaxing, and of course very affordable kaayo. 500 ang room, and fix na siya kung pila mo kabuok matulog. And besides, di mo mag-uol kay na siya heater. Of course, morning Sea of Clouds, very tugnaw kay na siya, di ba? More in fogs. Fog, oh yes, fogs. And then there mi dere Hi. So ang style ng PL nga na dayon ito. Yeah. May dogi, nag-sightseeing. Yeah. See you later.
3 hours later.
So, siya mga kadyan sa updated. Karon, mga hapon mi. And I'm Deb. Hi. So, among sudan is lechon manok. And nasa soy sauce. And of course, napoy chili nga, which is my favorite. And muna sila gabantay dire sila ate. And for now, magkaon na mi. Okay, we're very much hungry. See? So, let's go eat! Hi, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Mga genetics. For today is, we're waiting for the clouds, but for now, super, since it was raining, so supposedly we need to get up, but we're just staying here at the room because it's still raining. And now I'm just staying in the room, so I'm gonna show it's the room. Yes, very comfortable. Yes, that's it. I want to sleep. Very comfortable.
1 hour later.
So siya mga ka-genetics, we're finally here, but for now, paandra gamay ra ang clouds because kusog kayong uwan. So, hi to my vlog. So, hi, good morning. So this is day 2 because we're now got here yesterday, so that was the day 1, and night is our first night last night. So now we're going there because see, oh, there. So let's go.
A few moments later.
So we're getting closer, mga ka-genetics. There we go. There. Actually, there's a lot of people not here. There, over there. There. But for now, we want to close in the clouds, but clouds is too far away from us. Ay, very kuan kayo ka nang kayo siya. So wala talaga siya gugma ka na nga. Nagkadoon ka, nagkalayo siya ni mo. So good morning. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Hi, okay ka. So for now, dili kayo siya daghan ang clouds is because naguwan siya last night. But gabi grabe ang grabe tong katambay miss balcony din dayon ang hamog mo adto sa among naong nya manud na lang mi kay tungod sa ka ngilgig mo siya gisod among naong og refrigerator. So see you guys later. Among paaboton ang sunrise para aho ang ipakita ninyo kung unsa siya kanindot dere. So see you guys later.
1 hour later.
pagkakaroon mga genetics, since nga si Clouds mo palayo siya nga pag magdoon mi niya, so karon mo balik mi sa room kay mag coffee mi para maibsan ang mamong pagka tugnaw, feel tugnaw daw. So let's go. So siya mga genetics, since nga kuan ganina gamay pa kayo ang yahang Clouds, but for now is nibaga na siya, see there, but we're now here in the balcony. Actually we're waiting for the hot water kay mag-igo, so di na ko siya ipakita kung saan siya, basta flavored banana ni siya. And mag cup noodles me, and so later on basig mo abot diri ang Gabon, so excited kaayo.
3 hours later.
So siya mga genetics, we're living here in the sea of clouds of Daguhoy. And wait, before I forgot my shoes is there, so I need to take it. Oh, that's the view. See, very nice. So siya guys, we're now leaving. So thanks to Ate for taking care of me. Hi, vlog Ate. Hi. Say bye-bye. Thank you. Okay na natin. So I want to thank Ate for taking care of us and preparing for our breakfast and of course our dinner last night. And of course, sa pagbantay niya na mo, very safe. Very safe kayo siya. Very recommended dyan siya kayo. So mga ikog number ni Ate kay malay mo, di ba? So see you guys later. So ano siya mga genetics, I hope nga nag-enjoy mo sa akong vlog for yesterday and today. And of course, sa gusto mo dong dari don't forget na i-locate ninyo sa GPS ang Daguhoy Sea of Clouds, Bohol. So ano siya mga genetics, it's time to go home. So kung bago ka pa lang sa akong channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends, and don't forget to click the notification down below. See you to my next vlog. Bye!